Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, now our today's topic is what is interest on capital account? Okay, or what is the treatment on interest on capital account, or what is the meaning of interest on capital account? So before starting our video, let me introduce myself Neha, and I'm an accounting trainer, blogger as well as vlogger. Okay friends, now let's start with our today's topic, that is interest on capital account. Okay, so first of all, what is interest on capital account? Okay, so interest on capital means if we have received some cash for a business, so at the time of returning we have to pay extra money. Okay, for example, if someone has given us 5 lakh rupees in our business, then at the time of returning him, we are not supposed to pay only 5 lakh. We are supposed to pay an extra amount, and that extra amount is nothing but the interest amount. And that someone or that person is no one else, but he is a partner. Okay, so if you are a partner, or if you're having a partner in your business, and whatever amount is invested by partners or even by us, then at the time of withdrawal of our money, means whenever we are supposed to withdraw money, the capital invested, so at that time we are supposed to take extra amount, and that extra amount is nothing but it is an interest. Alright friends, so interest on capital is an amount at an agreed rate of interest which is credited to a partner based on the amount of capital contributed. So every time the interest is fixed at the time of making the agreement, the interest is an agreed rate. So the rate can be 5%, 8% or 12% of capital invested. So whatever capital you are contributing, on that amount per annum you are supposed to take a interest, and that interest is nothing but an agreed rate which is fixed at the time of agreement. Okay, interest is payable to the partners, and hence the partner's capital account is credited with the amount of interest. Because he is getting extra amount, so his capital account will get credited. Okay, for example, A, B and C are equal partners with capital contribution of 10,000 each. B provides additional capital of 50,000, and all the partners agreed that interest on this amount to be paid to B. Let's say 10%. So the amount of 5,000 needs to be paid to B for additional capital of 50,000. Alright, so if A, B and C have contributed equally to partnership firm, and B, amongst them B provides additional capital of 50,000, then all partners agreed for a fixed rate. As I said earlier, that it should be mentioned in the agreement only that what will be the fixed rate. Okay, so all partners agreed at an interest amount and interest rate also, which was 10%. So the 5,000 needs to be paid to B for his extra capital contribution. Alright, so interest on capital is nothing but it's same as loan, but the presentation is different, and it is provided by partner. Okay, so whenever we take loan from any party for a business, so we show it under secured loan, unsecured loan. Okay, but the presentation of interest on capital is slightly different, and it is shown in balance sheet in capital account to partners capital account. Okay, so in accounting, interest on capital is treated as expense. Okay, it is shown under profit and loss account, that whatever interest you pay to your partners, okay, so that interest on capital account, the ledger name should be interest on capital account, and it should be shown in expense side of your profit and loss account. And the second effect is that it should be added to partners capital account. Okay, okay, we will have a look on this journal entry. Okay, you should debit your interest expenses because it is an expense to a company or to a partnership firm, and so that expense of interest should get expensed off, or it should be debited. Okay, so debit should be 5,000, and the second effect should be to partners capital account, means partners capital account is getting increased by that amount, so it should be credited. So credit will be partners capital account. Okay, and you can also, if the cash is already paid, okay, so the second effect will go to cash paid. Okay, okay, then interest on capital account can simply be explained as the amount received by an owner of capital in addition to his principal for investing in a particular opportunity. The interest on capital can also be looked at from the angle of being a compensation to the owner of capital for taking an investment decision. Okay, so I have already explained you that the interest is nothing but it is an additional amount which the contributor, means the one who has paid the capital, he is getting an extra amount, and that extra amount is expense to a company or to a firm, but it is a profit or it is an additional amount to that contributor. Okay, and this contribution he is getting because he has taken an investment decision. Okay, so whichever way we choose to look at it, the interest should adequately put into consideration the risk taken by the investor, the period for which he would be denied access to his fund, and opportunity cost of taking that particular investment. Okay, so as the partner is contributing to capital, okay, or as the partner is contributing the funds to a firm, okay, so he has already locked his fund in some business, and that locked fund, for that locked fund, he should get some compensation, and that compensation is nothing but interest. Okay, so it is an expense to the firm and it is debited to profit and loss appropriation account, or you can also say profit and loss account. So interest is payable to the partners, and hence the partners capital account is credited with the amount of interest. Okay, so this accounting entry we have seen earlier. Okay friends, so I think you must have understood that what exactly is interest on capital and how it should be accounted in our books of account. So this was about interest on capital. I will be taking more lectures regarding accounts, regarding accounting terms and accounting concept. Alright friends, if you have liked my video, please like it, comment it, and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep loving, keep supporting. Thank you so much.